guys, welcome back to a 3 AM video. This is my first 3 AM video, and I don't know if you can see me or not, but I'm here with my friend Debbie. Hi guys. The lamp posts, I don't know why, but we have a little bit of light. We turned our lamp on. It's very bright, as you can see. It's like a bright white light in the background. So we put that there so you can to make sure you can see us. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, Demi, what shall we do now?
Where's the tub to put that in?
I don't know. I just took.
So we need to put it in the tub to show them.
Yeah. We have this like special little doll we have to put in the tub. We call that our good luck doll. Hey, kid, bring in the good luck doll, the fidget spinners. I like to call them the good luck doll. Come on. Okay. She's just bringing the good luck doll. And who cares if we're quiet? Who cares? We're not loud. I am basically shouting, but okay.
I just by accident slammed the door shut, but yeah.
Okay.
Guys, just to let you know, this is a real video.
Yeah, this is a real 3 AM. Let me take you over just a minute. Okay. We have to try and show you in our little tiny light. We only have a little bit of light from our big lamp.
We made some slime because we're going to be doing the slime challenge.
Yeah. Okay, so we have our slime. So yeah, it's back here. Guys, the bottle is like empty. The lid is already open, and I can't really find the slime in there. You can't really see, but the slime has gone missing. Let me show you in the light. Yeah, our lamp is really bright.
We're having a sleepover, that's why we're up at 3 AM in the morning.
Yeah, and we thought we could do a video.
And we had a midnight feast last night.
Yeah. So the bottle is empty, and I don't know where the slime. Ah! Oh my god! This creepy doll has slime on her.
Shh, Lydia, we don't want to wake up the parents.
Yeah, we don't want to wake up your mum. Look at this creepy slime. This slime was on this creepy doll. Look, it's like very jiggly. You can't see, but we'll show you when it's morning. Right now, we might just go to sleep. Okay? We'll show you when it's morning. We're gonna sleep now. Good night.
Good night.
Guys, we just woke up. You can't see me, but we just woke up with half of slime in our hands. Let's get out right now. We are never going behind there again, right, Demi?
Yeah.
But today we're going to be doing some slime juggling. Dang, I can't catch. Well, who cares? And now we're going to do like a very weird video of what we would do if we came out and it was all fake, okay? But we're going to try not to get so crazy. Okay, let's go.
Hey guys, it's Demi and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing... What is that flashing?
Wait, turn it, I'll pause it.
No way.
Oh, there's flashing in the background. Oh, there's creepy flashing. Be aware. Ha 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 ha. Oh, sweetie pie. Real. Leave this room unless you want to be slimed with this sticky slime that will stick you to my...
Okay, I'll leave.
absolutely crazy. Well, I think Alaska is, but I'm not sure about Melissa. I don't know. I don't want to say anything. Don't want to leave my children. Oh well, I'm gonna go find that little girl.
And
Up to you.
I hear her coming. I need to hide. I hear her.
Where are you? You can go.
Ah! Oh no, she's right there! Run! What a creep. She's really scared of a woman who really wants to go on a swing. Oh.
Bye.
Bye guys. Hope you
Swing.
enjoyed.
And check out Demi's channel, Demi Doobie. Okay.
Thank you.
Swing away.
The first bit we did was the real bit, and this bit was the version of that if it was fake. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Bye!